about germination and sprouting. What is germination? Germination is the process by which the seed produces a baby plant in the presence of air, water and sunlight. Now I will show you the sprouted seeds. Can you see the sprouted seeds? Yes. Do you know how I prepared this sprouted seeds? I soaked this moong dal. Overnight. For 8 hours I soaked it in water. And then I sieve the water morning. And then I will be closing it with a sieve or a hold plate for 4-5 hours. Afterwards you can see small white structures that come out of the seed. So the germination has started, I can say. Can you see a small white structure which has come out of this seed? This we call it as sprouting. See, when the sprout has come out, you can remove the seed coat easily. See, I had removed the seed coat. See. The green color structure which I had removed it from the seed. This is the seed coat. This seed coat, what is the use of this seed coat? It protects the seed. This is protecting the seed. You see, now I can divide the seed into 2 halves. We call this as seed leaves or cotyledons. What is it? Seed leaves or cotyledons. What is the function of these cotyledons? It protects the baby plant as well as it gives the food from the, it absorbs the food from the soil in the form of water and nutrients and it gives it to the new plant. After 1 or 2 days, you can see this sprouted one, it will have leaves on the top and one small structure arises down also. So this upper part will develop into the shoot and the lower part from where it comes down, that will be developed into the root and it goes under the ground. So this part where this white structure arises, we call it as embryo of the seed. Where the new plant arises, that we call it as embryo. Now with this sprouted seeds, what we are going to do an interesting activity. You can have a healthy, delicious, tasty snack for 11 o'clock in the morning. I'll teach you how to make this. Very simple. You need not expect your parents. You can do by yourself itself. Take a bowl of sprouted seeds. You see the lengthy sprouts has come. It will be very good for health. Then I seasoned the mustard. Mustard alone. Take 1 spoon of coconut oil, put the mustard seeds, let it splatter and then you add this to this sprouted seeds. You need to take chili powder, chaat masala and salt to taste. Add everything together and squeeze little bit of lemon to that. Mix it well with the spoon. Your instant, delicious, healthy snacks is ready. If you are interested, you can add finely chopped onions, scrapped or grated carrots a little bit and tomato pieces very finely chopped. You can add to this and it is ready now. It's very tasty as well as very healthy salad. Low fat, gluten free, vegan recipe. This is especially good for people who does not have much time for cooking or who does not know much about cooking, especially college goers who are staying in the hostel. Health benefits, you want to know the health benefits, right? The health benefits of this sprouted seeds. It improves digestion, boosts metabolism, prevent anemia, weight loss, improve the heart health, It boosts the immunity system. Prevent cancer also, the dreadful disease cancer. It protects the eyes, relieve the cold sores, reduce the allergic reactions. So let me taste now and check whether it is correct. Yummy tasty. You all prepare at home. Weekly twice you can eat this sprout salad and be healthy during this corona period. Immune system should be proper. You should have proper immunity power to get away from this corona germs. So try to eat this sprouted salad weekly twice. It will be very tasty. Thank you. Give a share, like and subscribe, friends.